Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to PGK Central Government State Government Jobs YouTube channel. Today I am explaining new government job notification. In this video I explain full details of notification. Please watch this video up to end. If you are watching our YouTube channel first time, subscribe this channel by clicking on red color button below this video, and please click on bell icon for latest updates and latest notification. Let's start our video. Ministry of Defense has released a new notification. Government of India, Ministry of Defense, Headquarter, Army War College, Mo, Madhya Pradesh. This is the new notification released by Ministry of Defense. This is the original employment notice. This notification is new notification in 2021. This is the first notification in the Ministry of Defense civilian posts. If you observe this notification, I am explaining most important points in this notification. This notification contains 8 pages. This notification description link I will upload. You can download the notification from the description. If you observe these notifications, applications are invited for the following posts from Citizen of India. These are the civilian posts and offline application. If you watch this video up to end, you can know how to apply this job and how to prepare, what is the syllabus and how to get this job. This is the address. You have to send offline application to this address. The presiding officer, civilian direct recruitment. These are the vacancies released by Ministry of Defense. First post is the cinema projectionist. These are the one post from UR category. The next one, stenographer, lower divisional clerk, civilian motor driver, electrician, cook, poster maker, MTS watchman, MTS sapaiwala, MTS gardener, barber, fatigue man, supervisor, overseer, cycle fitter. These are the all category of jobs. Total 39 jobs. Under various categories, jobs are classified. Unreserved category, in the same way, EWS, economic weaker section, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC. Friends, I am giving you suggestion. My suggestion for you, if you have +2, you can apply lower divisional clerk. This is the best post in this notification, and posts are also more. Total number 10 posts, unreserved 3, economic weaker sections 1, and SC 2 posts, ST 2 posts, OBC 2 posts. If you have thoroughly through this notification, I will upload the description link. You can download from description. These are the qualifications for which post, which qualification. The first, cinema projectionist. matriculation 10th class plus a certificate from project from recognized institute. Second, stenographer grade plus 2 and skill test. Next, LDC plus 2 and skill test. Civilian motor driver plus 10th class and driving license. Civil motor driver 10th class and plus driving license. For electrician post 10th class and ITI certificate. For post of the cook 10th class plus cooking knowledge. For poster maker 10th class and drawing certificate. Next, MTS gardener, MTS sapaiwala, MTS watchman, fatigue man, essential 10th class and barber. For post of the barber 10th class plus 1 year experience. Essential means you should have. Desirable means that is optional. If you have or not, no problem. Essential is very important. Desirable is optional. Next, supervisor matriculation from recognized board 10th class. Next, overseer 10th class, cycle fitter 10th class plus 6 months experience. This is the desirable, not essential. Next, age limit. Minimum age limit is 18 years and maximum 25 years for cinema protagonist and stenographer and MTS post. And minimum 18 years age and maximum 27 years for civil motor driver and poster maker and electrician supervisor. Relaxation for age limit. For SC/ST 5 years and disability unreserved category 10 years and SC/ST disability 15 years. Fees, if you want to apply to this job, 50 rupees demand draft or postal order. If you are SC/ST candidate, no fees. Photograph, one recent passport photograph is needed. And crucial date. The crucial date for determining the age limit shall be the last date of receipt of application. This is the closing date and 45 days of the from notification. This notification has released in January first week. So the last date is February ending. Up to February 28th you can apply. Next, coming to very important point, scheme of examination. In this examination there are 4 papers. First paper, general intelligence and reasoning. These 4 papers, that means 4 parts. These 4 parts has completed in 2 hours time. Totally 150 marks. General intelligence and reasoning 25 marks, general awareness 50 marks, general English 50 marks, numerical aptitude 25 marks. This is the bilingual test, English and Hindi. So there is no language problem for non-Hindi candidate also. You can write in English. If you thorough in Hindi, you can write in Hindi. Syllabus for examination. This is the general intelligence and reasoning and general awareness syllabus, English language syllabus, numerical aptitude syllabus. This is the very important points. And finally, how to apply. This is application only offline application. So you should know how to apply offline application. This is the very important. This is the proforma of application format. You have to print out this application format. I will upload this notification link in description. You can download from description link. from this notification. Proforma application like this, you have to type the application in this format on A4 size. If you can type the application, you must type on A4 paper and print out and fill it. If you don't have any typing knowledge, you can write with pen on paper. You can fill up and by post you can post this application. This is the formality application. So friends, you along with application, you should fill up this admit card in duplicate also. This admit card they send to us by post. So if you get hall ticket, you can write exam and you can success in this job. Friends, this is the overall important points in this notification. I thought some of knowledge you came from this notification. This is the very important notification from the Ministry of Defense. If you have any doubt, please write in comment section. I will give reply in comment section. Okay friends, thank you very much. This notification is only for civilian posts. Anyone can apply from all India. Okay friends, we will meet in next video. Okay, thank you.